Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about when and how to exit a stock. Investing is very interesting game, and when we invest, our perspectives are different. There are people who invest for short term, let's say less than a year. There are people who invest for medium term, 1 year to 3 years. There are people who invest for long term, 3 years and onwards, maybe 5 years, 10 years perspective. So investing certainly depends on personal perspective. Besides that, investing requires setting up some sort of exit target, and you have to be very clear about when to exit a stock. Now, exit decision is not that simple. Like in today's market, when trend is moving just one way, it is going up and up, it is easier to make money. So remaining in the market for long term makes money. While when the market becomes range bound, like sideways or start coming down, then it becomes very important. If you don't book the profit appropriately, you land up losing the accrued profit and you keep on repeating. So in today's video, I'm going to take an example of a stock and show to you how to really handle this situation. I would like to reiterate in the beginning, investing in stock is risky, and before investing, please do your own research or consult your investment advisor. Purpose of this video is purely educational. I am going to give example how I do it. You may like it, you may not like it, but it may be just a guideline to you. And I would also like to mention to you, it is very important to accrue some knowledge about investing, and I have brought a set of courses for you. Please do visit drbishram.graphy.com. The description is given, detail is given in the description here. And if you like the course, the free course, do invest in the paid course, which will cost you around few thousand rupees and maybe 14-15 hours of study, and that will certainly make your perspective very good. So let's move forward. Your topic today is how and when to exit. Now, exit decisions normally, I suggest, should be structured at 3 different levels. Industry view or sector view. Second becomes company view, where you do company relative analysis with other company in the sector. And third is maybe fundamental analysis of the company. And fourth is technical perspective. Is it the right time? How is the momentum, etc. And then take a call to book profit or remain invested. Now, exit could be partial, it could be complete. That once again depends on how you do. So let's move forward. First thing I discuss about industry view. So I have brought a stock as an example to you from hospital sector. As we all know, healthcare, particularly hospital, is growing leaps and bounds in our country. It's doing very well. A lot of medical tourism is happening. And India, even today, although the medical cost has gone up, is quite cheaper compared to the neighboring countries, Gulf countries, and particularly Western countries. So a lot of people come to India for medical treatment, and they also have sort of tourism here. So from that perspective, healthcare sector is just upbeating, and you have stocks like Apollo Hospitals, you have a stock like Max Healthcare, you have stocks like Narayana Healthcare, and quite a few of them. So I have picked up one of them for you, and then we'll discuss what I do. Second thing is coming back to the company. So before I go there, I'd like to show you which company I have chosen. So here, the company I'm talking about is Sadhak Hospital and Trauma Care Services Limited. It's a hospital chain in Noida and Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh. Company had come with made an IPO some time back, and company is doing quite well. Today it is trading at about 38.6p. And when you move down, when you look at this company's performance, here the price has run up quite well. I had recommended this stock some time back, somewhere near this particular price range, 400, 420 type of price range, and today it is trading at about 565. So it has a decent run up, about 35-40%. And seeing that, I think we can decide about whether to exit or not to exit. So in this example, I'll explain to you all these. Now here, when you look at this company from performance perspective, in a company as a single thing, look at company performance is quite stable. And company had given a good run in terms of P movement. Like on an average, just after the IPO, the company was trading something between 38 to 40p. And since then, it retraced a lot, came as low as 25 or so, 20 8p, and today it is trading at about 39p. So here, companies valuation wise is at the upper band of the price earning of its own historical thing, and only twice or thrice it has gone beyond 40. So from that perspective, it appears company is at the upper band, and one can look at, depending on his own perspective, some booking of profit. When you look at it here from the relative comparison, like you have got Apollo, Max, you have Fortis, you have got Global, you have got Narayana. The median PE is about 56, whereas the PE of the company is today is about 39. So from medium perspective, it is lower, it is better. But this is a small cap. Never forget it. Apollo, Narayana, Max, Fortis, they are quite large company. Like even Narayana has got about 26,000 crore market cap, whereas this company has less than 5,000 crore market cap. From that perspective, it appears that maybe one may like to take some sort of partial profit in this company. And before we make a final conclusion, what I'll do is I'll take you through the technical chart of this company. I had here plotted three things: 200 days, 50 days, and 20 days moving weighted moving average price of this company. And you see, look at the type of pattern it has. It has run up quite a bit, as I mentioned to you. After running, even though long-term perspective is positive, but short-term there will be a retracement. It could be to the level of 530 or it could be to the level of 500. So I'm sure one of the two level it will come. And yesterday it formed a doji, which you can see here. And today the doji engulfed by a very large bearish candle. This means the upcoming downtrend is there in this stock, based on this candle analysis, which you can see from the RSI also. RSI has taken the downtrend. So certainly there will be some movement down the line, and there could be a possibility of booking some sort of partial profit in this stock. So friends, what I discussed today is when you are investing in it, you need to decide your investment strategy, which means the entry as well as the exit strategy. I normally don't fix a target price, but I keep on evaluating how the sector is moving, and although that I mentioned to you, go layer by layer, sector wise, company fundamental, its valuation and technical position. So in this case, what I have done is I have booked a partial profit, hoping that the price will come down. I'll add back a little more shares on those prices. And if somebody has a long-term perspective, and sometimes it makes a lot of sense just to sit down on what you have and you make more profit in future. So hope you like the deliberation of today. You liked it? Don't forget to press like button. Share this video with your friends, your colleagues in a social media platform. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, feel free. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your time. Remain engaged. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.